Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my eyelash is literally falling off. Look at that. Look at that. It's falling off. What is that? So today I have a fun video for you guys. I'm packing up my makeup. I'm getting ready to move, and in fact, this is going to be the last video that you guys see from me for a couple of weeks. I am taking a break. I'm pre-filming this quite far in advance, but I'm taking about a 6-week filming break so I can get moved, get settled in, get unpacked, get ready for baby, all that fun stuff. But as far as when I'm not gonna have any videos, it's only gonna be a couple of weeks. So this will be the last video that you see from me for about a week or two, and then you'll see my lovely face again. But in today's video, I figured we can pack up my makeup together. So last time I packed up my makeup, we were moving. Okay, this has gotta go. This is bothering me. Oh my god. Last time I packed up my makeup, we moved completely across the country. And so I had to really pack it well. Now we're moving 20 minutes away, so I don't have to pack it as well, but I still need to pack it, you know what I mean? Like, we're still gonna have movers, we're still gonna do that whole thing. So I still need to pack my makeup, but I figured I could show you guys kind of how I do that, and we can pack my makeup together, and later on we can unpack it together. So let's get into it. Okay, so a couple of things before we get started. So here's what my vanity currently looks like. I've already packed up everything that's on top of my vanity. So my perfumes, I have a couple that are sitting out. I have my La Vanilla, which is almost gone, and then my YSL. Those are the two that I'm gonna use until we move. And then I have my hand cream right there. So I packed up all those. I packed up all my brushes, which are typically right there. Those are actually already in the moving box, which I can show you right there. So my brushes, I just put them all in a bag, and then here's the jars right there. And then as far as the beads go, I must have put those in another box. So I basically took out the minimal amount of brushes that I think I will need, and I put them in my brush case right here. And that way I can travel with it, because we are going to be traveling twice between now and when we move. So they're all ready to go. I can just open this up when I'm getting ready in the morning, and my brushes are all right here, and then when we're ready to travel, I can just pop it in my suitcase. So it's all ready to go. And then as far as this goes, this is my makeup bag that I already have pre-packed for some of the vacations that we're taking. I still have quite a few makeup items down here that I haven't packed yet. That I'm not gonna pack today. So basically this is my current everyday makeup drawer. These are the products that I'm going to leave unpacked for now. When it comes time to move, I will probably throw them all in a makeup bag or something like that, and throw them in my car and take them manually, instead of having the movers take it. In fact, I might take all my makeup myself and not have the movers take it. I don't know yet. But this is a minimal amount of makeup, for me at least, that I can easily throw in, you know, a duffel bag or something like that and just take myself. So this I'm not gonna pack up today, and everything on top of the vanity I'm not gonna pack up today, but everything else is completely fair game. So basically my goal today is to pack up my Alex 9 drawers, which has the majority of my makeup in it. I also think I am going to leave my lipstick case. So this is a Cosmo Cube, or no, it's the original beauty box, which is very similar to a Cosmo Cube. I'm gonna leave this unpacked simply because I can just carry this. Again, I can throw this in my trunk or something like that, and, you know, move this myself. I'll probably put some saran wrap around it so that the drawers don't open. But this is also full of meltable makeup, and I don't necessarily want this sitting in a moving truck, so I'm not gonna pack this, but I am gonna pack up everything in these drawers. So my goal is, let's see if I can bend this down a little bit more for you guys. I have sandwich bags, so you probably saw these sitting on my vanity. So I'm gonna pull things out and put them in these bags, probably mostly the gallon-sized bags, by category. That way, when it comes time to unpack, I can easily just put the stuff back in the drawers, and it'll be already categorized for me. You know what I mean? This needs to be packed as well. So first drawer is foundations and concealers, so let's get started. Okay, so I have 3 bags from just that first drawer. I'm gonna leave the plastic organizers in the drawer itself. I think that's fine. They're not breakable, so I'm not worried about the movers breaking any of that stuff. I'm going to also categorize stuff that is meltable versus stuff that is not meltable. And I have a box over here for the non-meltable stuff over there. And then I have a plastic container over there for the meltable stuff. And that I'm gonna take in my car and move myself. And then this box, I will probably end up taking myself as well. But I just know that it's not going to be as urgent to like pull out of the car right away. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna stop blabbing and just kind of fast forward and show you guys the rest of these drawers. Okay guys, so now that I have everything bagged up, the only thing I wasn't really too sure how to pack was my palettes. So I don't remember how I packed those before, but that's what's sitting up there. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze as much as I can as far as meltable things into this little plastic container, and then the rest I'm gonna have to put in a box. Alright guys, so here's what it ended up turning into. So I have 2 small boxes, like small moving boxes, and then my plastic bin right there. All the drawers are empty, and then I still have my lipstick and stuff up there, as you guys know. But yeah, all the drawers are empty. I did leave the trays in there. I figured that would be okay. They're kind of hardy, so I don't think they'll get banged up or broken during the move. But yeah, that is how I'm packing my makeup. And now I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.